Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change product order in Shopify. So first up, what you need to do is to log into your Shopify account. And once you've done that, you should be able to see this dashboard right here. And as you can see, I'm currently using a free trial account, which lasts for 3 days until I'm going to be needing to subscribe to one of their paid plans. So if you sign up for Shopify under a free trial account, then you're going to be following the same process unless you directly purchase one of their subscriptions on sign up or here by clicking on select a plan. So feel free to check that out if you want to go ahead and subscribe to Shopify. But if you want to try things out first, then no biggie. You can start with a free trial account, but the features will be limited. So the first thing you need to do is to head to your products. So right here, as you can see, I've just gone and created a bunch of sample products that are basically incomplete in terms of info, but we're going to be showing this for the sake of demonstrating how to change the order of the products. So if you actually have an existing online store and you're actually selling products, then you should be able to see your list of products here. And what we're going to do to change their order is head to collections. So I have a sample collection here. You can also create your own. So just click on create collection and then type in the name, the description, and make sure it's under the manual type. You can change it to smart type if you'd like, and then just set these conditions so that the order will be categorized based on the conditions you've set. But it'll be much more flexible if you go with a manual condition or a collection type. So make sure it's set to collection type. All right, so let's say this is the collection you've already created. We're just going to go ahead and open it. And as you can see, it only has one product. What we're going to do now is to include the other products that we have so that it'll be under this collection. All of our products will be under this collection. So just click on browse and then make sure to check all the products that you wish to include in your collection. All right, so now we have 5 products, and here it's gonna be under this sample collection. Just gonna refresh this so that to check if it's actually saving. All right, so here it's already saved. Actually, I'm gonna try to do this on a different collection since it's not showing as an option to categorize them. All right, so manual, and then just click on browse and then include the products that you wish to include. So right here. All right, so for the products, you can change their order by sorting them over here in this section. So you can see it. You can sort them by best selling or alphabetical, A to Z, or in reverse, Z to A, highest price, lowest price, newest, oldest, and manually. So if you select manually, then this will allow us to just drag and drop the products accordingly, according to the order that we like. So just click on this 6 dots right here, and you should be able to drag them manually depending on how you want them to be ordered. There. So if you want to select a particular categorization on the sort section, just make sure to click save so that the changes will apply. All right, so that's how you change the order of your products. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.